Dear students, hope you are all doing well. Today we will start a new topic, that is morphology of root. Now, what is a root? It is an underground cylindrical non-green structure forming descending axis of the plant. प्लांट के जो ज़मीन के नीचे पोर्शन होता है उसको हम रूट कहते हैं. Now this root has some characteristics. We will write them one by one. But first, it is the descending part of plant axis. Number second, we will write down it is non-green. It is non-green. Number third, it is a cylindrical structure. Number four, it is without nodes and internodes. Number fifth, buds and leaves are also absent. Number sixth, important character, that is presence of root cap. Number seven, growing point is subterminal. Growing point is subterminal. Number eight, they are positively hydrotropic. And negatively phototropic. Move away from the light. So these were the characteristics of roots. Now we will study parts of a typical root. We will write down here root cap. एक रूट के कितने पार्ट्स होते हैं और ये क्या काम करते हैं. नंबर फर्स्ट, हम इसमें लेते हैं रूट कैप. एज द नेम सजेस्ट्स, रूट कैप इज अ कैप लाइक, यू विल राइट डाउन cap like multicellular structure which covers root meristem, and that is, you can see in here in diagram. Its cells secrete mucilage which lubricates passage of root through the soil. Otherwise it is very difficult for the tender roots to penetrate the hot soil. ये root cap जो होता है, it is first function is protection. Protective in function. It gives protection to the root meristem. Number second, it is assumed that it helps in the perception of gravity. Perception of gravity. ये जो स्टिल्ट रूट्स होते हैं in pandanus, they possess multiple root caps with a number of no distance from the ground, and that is why these sheaths are present there. These are not peeled off. Number second zone, that is meristematic zone. Meristematic zone. As you can see here, the name suggests it is subterminal. It is subterminal and is protected by the root cap. It is made up of closely arranged small thin-walled meristematic cells. इस रीजन में जो सेल्स होती हैं वो मेरिस्टेमेटिक होती है. They are always in a state of division, as these cells have dense protoplasm. They are thin walled and they repeatedly divide, so new cells are formed for the root cap and basal region of the root in this zone. Number third portion of the root is elongation zone. Elongation zone. Elongation zone. As you can see it from the diagram, it is about 4 to 8 mm in length. 4 to 8 mm in length. The cells in this zone are newly formed cells which elongate rapidly and they increase the length of root. They increase the length of root. Length of the root. जो लेंथ ऑफ द रूट होती है इसी जोन की वजह से होती है, क्योंकि इसी में जो सेल्स होते हैं वो इलोंगेट होते हैं. इसके बाद जो जोन आता है दैट इज रूट हेयर जोन. That is root hair zone, as you can see here. It is the zone of maturation, or we can say differentiation. It is about 1 to 6 cm in length, and most of the water absorption occurs here. Some of the cells here, some of the outer cells of this zone give rise to lateral tubular outgrowths. We call them as root hairs, and these root hairs increase the surface area of the root, which helps in maximum water absorption and minerals. After this zone, we also write zone of mature cells, zone of mature cells. This is the last zone. It forms the bulk of root and there is no further change in the cells of the zone. Outermost layer of this region has thick walled cells. Its only function is that it attaches firmly the plant to the soil. So this is the structure of a typical root. We will further continue it in next lecture, inshallah.